Dunleary was formerly known as Kingstown, which was named after King George IV's visit here in 1821. And we are now finally on the East Pier. And look at that, it's quite a load of people here. Now once you're on East Pier, you'll find a gap in the wall, just hop through that and you'll see this large cannon here on display. And seems to be in the grounds of a small garden too, but if you look outwards further south, looks like some bathing spots, and even further you have the famous 40 foot just to the left of the frame, and you can see a Martello tower too there. And in case you're wondering, I'm not going to be turning into a food vlogger anytime soon, but I'm dying for a coffee, so I'm going to get one from here and give your opinion on it in a moment.
5 minutes later.
And so I'd better give you my opinion of the cappuccino extra hot I bought with plenty of chocolate powder on top. Those of you who know me, you know how I love my coffee. It's bought from Brian's Coffee here at the entrance to East Pier in Dunleary. So we're walking back through the garden with the cannon in it. So I'll just give it a taste while I'm walking. Yes, it's very hot, which is how I asked for. And might wait a little bit longer. I'm trying to taste the coffee in it, but I love a taste of strong coffee. Yeah, I'd say it's within acceptable parameters. Right, let's explore the rest of East Pier and what it has for us. There's some bathing spots there, the changing rooms there, which would normally be open if the pandemic wasn't happening at this moment. Viewpoint up there, you can see all the way around the south side of Dublin Bay. Let's have a look. Yes, look at that view. As we were just moments ago where the cannon was, but a bit higher up, and we can see better all the way to the Martello Tower again, and beyond that is the village of Dorky. It is a glorious evening here. Couldn't ask for more. A little bit breezy, but you expect that at coastal places. But I must say the coffee, it is tasting better. The more I try it, the better it tastes. So fair dues to them from, I forgot the name of the place, but it'll be in the captions anyway. And yes folks, that is a bandstand in front of us. I've never actually seen any events taking place here, but I'm sure that they do have them more likely in the spring and summer. And it looks like I spoke a bit too soon. We do actually have a performance here at the bandstand this evening, care of Stephen. Respect the social distancing. 2 meters apart as we make our way to the end of the pier. And looky who's joined us here in Dunleary Pier as we approach the end of this vlog. It's Maria.
Hi.
And those of you who follow my roof photography page, you'll recognise her because she was the model in my Dublin Girl in Kilkenny shoot. So she loves this spot. She's always taking photos. She'll probably want you to follow her on her Instagram. What's your Instagram, by the way? You keep changing the name.
I'm so sorry. My Instagram is now Snap Happy Photos because that's what we should do. When we have sunrise, sunset, nice things to do, we should always snap happy pictures.
Exactly. Now, check out this sunset there in front of us. Maria was tempted to bring out her camera, but she thought No, she's going to give me all the attention
Yes.
with my vlog this evening. We're nearly at the end there, so I'll show you that in more detail in a moment. Right, we're nearing the end of it. And Maria's right behind me. And, oh, look at that, the sun just burst on my face then. Just have a look at this, people. I don't know if the camera's showing it that well, but you can see Poolbeg Towers just to the right of it. And there's Maria doing her trademark model pose. So when are you going to pose for me next? Do a few more shots?
Whenever.
Okay.
Maybe
Look,
next week sometime.
I'll think about it.
Once I can get the car, I can come down to Copper Coast.
Oh,
into the sea.
I finished the Copper Coast. Oh, I finished that last Sunday.
What about... We'll find somewhere magical.
Yeah, okay. There's loads of places around there anyway, so. That's the lighthouse at the far end of the East Pier, and that's the Irish tricolour flag waving in the wind. Right folks, we've reached the end of my vlog here at Laoghaire Harbour with the lovely Maria, who was kind enough to join me. She got here late, but I forgive her this time.
So sorry about that.
Anyway, we're watching a lovely sunset. It's right in front of us. And so don't forget to...
Subscribe.
Yeah. It's
Comment. Like.
yeah,
Share.
YouTube Roof Photo and Facebook Roof Photography. So hopefully you'll join me on the next vlog. I don't know where that will be, but Maria has given me some ideas. So until then, bye.